This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Susie Weldon. This charming 2-story 4-bedroom 2-bath home sits on half-acre plus/city lot. On the first floor you will find a family room with theater lighting, master bed with walk-in closet, laundry room with drop-down folding table, full bath, and second bedroom with large closet, as well as huge lighted closet space under the stairs. On to the second floor. As you top the stairs you will find open concept family room with wood-burning fireplace, kitchen, full bath, second master bed with walk-in closet, and the fourth bed with double closets, and 2 linen closets in hall. Laundry chute under bathroom sink drops to closet door on first floor. New decking covers north, west, and south sides of the home and was installed in 2020. It is accessible from second floor master, second floor family room, and kitchen. HVAC and water heater installed in 2014. Roof installed in 2016. Don't wait for this beauty to slip through your fingers, it will not last long. For more information,